Alright, GoPro Hero11, and we are taking a look at our settings. So, what do I use to record my YouTube videos when I want the best image quality? Then, with the GoPro Hero11, I'm going to the full frame. Here, the full frame setting. Now, in order to set my camera up for the first time, I am going in here where I see reset, and I reset my presets. So this is going to resetting my presets. This is going to reset every single preset in there, resetting my camera basically. Let's see if I get my camera back now. There it is. Okay, so now we're in here. We go in here and pick our setting. You saw that the GoPro recognized my button push, but it didn't go to the screen here. There I need it. There, full frame. And I want to modify this. So I push the little pencil here. Now I'm in the pencil, 5.3K 30, that is great. I'm going to go down here. The bit rate is already high, but I switch to 10-bit color because I paid for this camera to have 10-bit. So I use it. Natural color profile, medium sharpness, that's great. Wind I set to manually on when I go outside and off when I'm inside. This is my setting I use. There I have the most flexibility for what I need it for. Now, if you want to do slow motion with this, or slow down your if you want to slow down your footage, you would go in 60 frames a second. The only problem is that the 5.3K cannot do 60 frames per second. Not an 8 to 7. You can go to 16 to 9, 5.3K, and then 60. That may be the better choice for that kind of scenario. So when you do that, your camera overheats faster. We can go to linear. We can go to linear with horizon leveling. But you see it crops in a lot. If it crops in a lot, you're losing from your 5.3K, right? So we go without horizon level to the regular linear, and then we have a good image here. So this is also a very good size when you want to do a little bit more movement in your videos, when you have something moving, like a person running around or a dog or whatnot, then that is a good setting. So I hope you like this video and you come back for more after you subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you get notified when I put new videos out. Thanks for watching.